Honeybees are small but extraordinary creatures. Each one works tirelessly, buzzing through gardens, fields, and forests, collecting nectar and pollen that keeps nature blooming. These tiny insects are master communicators. Through a unique dance, they share the location of the best flowers with their hive mates, showing teamwork like no other species. Inside their hives, every bee has a role. Some gather nectar, some care for the young, and the queen oversees the whole colony. Together, they create honey, one of nature's sweetest gifts. Bees don't just make honey, they are vital to our planet. By pollinating flowers and crops, they help plants grow, support ecosystems, and ensure we have the fruits and vegetables we enjoy every day. Watching honeybees in action is a reminder of how even the smallest creatures can make a huge difference. Their dedication and cooperation show the beauty and balance of nature. Next time you see a bee flying by, remember the important role it plays. Every buzz, every flight, every flower visited contributes to a thriving, colorful world around us. Thank you for joining us in exploring the amazing life of honeybees. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories about the natural world.